You heard it already, but I'm going to say it again. You'll never see smoke without fire. And see the smoke, you know? That infamous illegal training camp called by the Jamaica Football Federation for the national senior men's team. A lot of us were saying, how the hell can the JFF, in the middle of a spiraling pandemic, organize a training camp with 40-odd people involved, resulting in between 5 and 6 positive COVID tests and counting? Yes. And all of this happened without the approval of the government, the same government that them trying to negotiate with to restart football. Not even JFF could have fooled so. Well, and after the smoke, in comes the fire. Yes, yes. Word is that the JFF organized this training camp out of desperation, deliberately to get a local-based squad in training because trouble is brewing with the first team players. Yes, yes, yes. Information is that for the upcoming Gold Cup and World Cup qualifiers, the JFF is offering $2,000 per match plus winning incentive per player. But the senior players want 2 or 3 times that amount plus add-ons. Yes, yes, yes. So the JFF decides, A, just in case any more stick up one, plan B, less money, local-based squad. Yes, yes, yes. And so that led to the illegal camp. So the camp was really the smoke. Yes, yes. And you never see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire. Yes, yes. The fire is the demands of the player. You never see smoke without